kind of live from Tijuana, Mexico. Well, because it is going to be recorded. Here I am with
Giselle Warren.
and
Craig Warren.
so where are you folks from? What part of the world?
So we actually live in Fresno right now, but I'm originally from Mexico.
Cool.
And I'm from Los Angeles.
I'm sorry.
Nice.
Okay, I mean that it's kind of like a war zone now, but hey, this is so now. What did you guys look for? Because I know you came down. Any problem with crossing the border or anything?
No.
Absolutely not.
No.
I know. Isn't it weird? Yeah, Tijuana's cool. Okay, now what kind of things were you looking for? Because I know you came down. You got the chiropractic, some IVs, maybe.
Yeah, so I had watched your video on YouTube and I thought I want to try that, but I was kind of hesitant because it's Tijuana. And so, but the experience has been amazing. I mean, we got picked up by your shuttle that you sent to the airport and the ride was pretty fast, 30 minutes.
Yeah.
And
Was Bruno driving you?
Bruno was dragging us.
Okay, when you guys meet Bruno, okay, I have raced him. We've left the hotel at the same time to get across the border, and I've never even come close to even tying with it, but he's brilliant.
He's amazing. And then staying in the hotel, I think it helps a lot.
Yes.
Because the adjustments do get you tired.
Oh, gosh, yeah.
And so we get adjusted, we go and rest, and come back and get adjusted again. And so it's a good setup.
That's the best healing, because that rest, that parasympathetic state, is when the body regenerates.
Yeah.
Oh, fantastic. And now, how long are you folks down here for?
This visit, we leave tomorrow night. Yes.
So it's
So
been
3
about
days.
3 days?
3 days. Mm-hmm.
Beautiful. Now, in that time frame, like, what kind of stuff have you experienced?
As far as body goes,
Yeah.
oh, well, I think I mentioned to you yesterday, I came in, I had thoracic issues and shoulder issues, and I used a heat pad. I've been alternating from heat pad to ice on the back of my shoulder, and it's been, I think, 30 days since our first visit. Haven't used it one night. Haven't used it at all.
Thank God. I mean, you're talking in between the shoulders. That's you can't scratch it. It's miserable. If you've ever had a structural problem up there, thank God. That's why I say I move the bone, God does the healing, because that's how you're designed to heal.
Yes.
Now, but you're doing something totally unique. You're taking charge of your health.
Yeah.
Regular people don't do that.
Even at 61.
Well, 61's still a kid.
I know.
I've almost been 61 twice. Okay. So what could you tell people? Because I don't know if it's your background, your parents, your makeup, but you're taking charge of your health. That's totally cool.
I think I'm just tired of being not like in great big pain. It's just discomfort, and I feel like I have more to give, and so I cannot just give up. I have to do something for myself, and so I thought I had problems with my right foot. I had problems with my right foot. It's getting a lot better, where I've been wearing orthotics, custom-made orthotics for over 20 years, and so I just thought enough is enough. I've seen podiatrists, I've seen different providers, and I go back to the orthotics. And so I thought, I got to give it another shot with somebody else.
Isn't that weird? It's starting to work.
Yeah. Oh, yes.
Yeah, and it's only been a week.
It
Yeah.
took me some nudging to get here for our last visit, and you can ask Giselle. I was like, look forward to the planning of coming, and the food was a big deal too because they have great food here. But
Yeah. I mean,
we
the
look
restaurant
forward to
upstairs.
We actually this is like a mini. We did our honeymoon in San Diego years ago, so coming back here was great because we came to Tijuana then too. So it's like a little mini vacation for us every time we come here.
Well, hopefully you'll be down here when my wife's down here, okay? And she's a foodie. She knows everything about everything. Now, what could you tell people that are kind of on the fence? They don't, they've been doing this stuff. They've been getting the orthotic, even though if you restore the nerve supply to the foot, the feet work better.
With me, it took some prodding to get here, but doing the exercises, and we mentioned yesterday, we've been doing our exercises religiously, and if you keep with it, do the things that you asked us to do, the result, I honestly did not expect to have results that quick. I didn't. You can ask it. I did
Yeah.
not. And I did not expect her foot to start feeling much better that quick. And so I think just listen to what everybody tells you here to do. And
The trip is like pain and stuff. I would say I mean, pain could be horrible, life-changing, everything, but it's really an alarm telling you that there's something wrong. And you guys are listening and you're fixing the actual problem.
Yeah, yeah, and I think for me it's the opportunity that I needed. Really, I given that opportunity to myself and to act on it. I just made the decision. I thought I'm just going to try it. If I don't, then I will not know.
Yeah.
So I just gave it a try, and I'm glad that I did.
So take charge of your health, try it. I mean, we're not working on pain. We're fixing the physical, chemical, emotional stressors. We're teaching how to sit, how to move, how to walk, how to change your sleep patterns. I mean,
That's true.
literally, and then the body has the best chance to regenerate healthy tissue. I know, bizarre.
Yeah, it's very interesting.
I know. It's what a concept. It's like the body is self-healing and self-regulating, and we're utilizing that.
Yeah.
Okay, thank you so much. I mean,
Well, thank you.
for sharing.
You do a lot for your patients. I know you do, and and I think that's why a lot of people follow you and
Well, I mean-
expertise.
Dear, my patients are angels. You guys are more energy than matter. I mean,
come because everyone here is personable. So
That's
a
true.
big thing for us.
That is true. We love the whole atmosphere when you come into the clinic. Everyone is friendly and they care about you.
We didn't believe the videos and we saw them, the testimonials, and now we're in them. And yeah.
Yeah.
you know, when I'm in the clinic in Huntington Beach, it's great. You know, you say good morning. Down here, everybody gets hugs. It's
Yeah,
it's
that's
like,
true.
hello, how are you doing? I mean, it took me like, I was not comfortable. Now it's like, oh my God, it's such a great way to start the day. Yeah, take care of yourself. Take charge of your health. Your body really is smart. It really is self-healing and self-regulating. Don't go after the symptoms. Those symptoms are an alarm telling you that there's a dysfunction. You find the dysfunction, bam. And you know, I've never seen a dysfunction from lack of medication.
Yeah.
God bless y'all.